Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share a video of my car after it was prepped with Essence from CarPro, and then my detailer applied the coat of CarPro Gliss, which is a top coat. As you can see, the gloss in the paint looks amazing. Let me get a far shot. Let me show you how looks my new spoiler. This is the CS style from RW Carbon. The car looks amazing. I love how CarPro products lift the paint of my car. I always use CarPro Reset along sometimes Iron X and with the 2 bucket method. And for added protection and gloss, I use CarPro Reload once every 2 months, and I also use BitMaker as a quick detailer once a week. So, okay, guys, I hope you like it. If you like my content, please subscribe. Thanks.